Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move objects to the back or front in Power BI. This is an essential skill when you're working with multiple visuals and want to control which elements appear on top of others, helping you create cleaner, more professional-looking reports. First, you'll need to open your Power BI desktop application. Once it loads up, navigate to the report where you have multiple visuals that you want to layer properly. This might take a moment as Power BI opens and loads your workspace. Now, click on the visual that you want to move either to the back or to the front. Make sure you've selected the correct one, as you'll see selection handles appear around it, indicating it's active. This selection is crucial because the layering options will only apply to the visual you have currently selected. With your visual selected, look at the top of the screen where you'll find the main toolbar. Click on Format. This tab contains all the tools you need to adjust the positioning and layering of your visuals. The Format tab is where Power BI gives you control over the arrangement and appearance of your report elements. To move your visual to the front, meaning it will appear on top of other overlapping visuals, click on Bring Forward. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with two options. You can click Bring Forward to move it one layer up at a time, which is useful if you have multiple overlapping elements and want precise control. Alternatively, you can click Bring to Front to immediately move the visual to the topmost layer, placing it above all other elements in one go. Now, if you want to move your visual to the back instead, the process is just as straightforward. Click on Send Backward, which is located right near the Bring Forward option in that same Format tab. Again, you'll see a drop-down with two choices. Click Send Backward to move the visual one layer down at a time, or click Send to Back to immediately send it behind all other visuals on your report page. And that's it. You've now learned how to control the layering of visuals in Power BI, giving you complete control over which elements appear in front and which stay in the background. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.